Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video we're going to show you how to change out the Whirlpool Washer Door Latch Assembly. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new door latch assembly. The door latch assembly is what tells the washer when the door is closed, and it also latches and locks the door. The main reason to be changing it out is if it's failed and the washer is not working. In order to get to the part, we have to open up the washer door. Now that we have the door open, we have access to the latch assembly. It's located over here on the right side of the front panel. In order to get it off, we have to remove the outer bellow clamp. In order to get it out, we're going to use a small flathead screwdriver to get the spring out. It's usually located down here at 6 o'clock. All you have to do is very carefully get underneath here and lift the spring out. Once you get the spring started, then we're just going to go clockwise around the bellow to pull it off. Once you have it off, you can set it aside. Once you have the clamp off, we're going to use the Torque 20 driver to remove these two screws. Once you have the screws out, we can reach in and pull the bellow off the frame. You only want to pull it off over here around 3 o'clock. Once you have the bellow peeled back, we can reach in and grab the latch assembly. There's two mounting tabs, so you have to lift it up a little bit before you can pull it out. Once you have it released, you can pull it out far enough so we can take the wires off. Once you have it out, we're going to release this upper shield, just held in by a locking tab. We're just going to kind of flex it to the back and then lift it up. And then we can release this little locking tab right here and pull the wire harness off. Once you have this one off, then we can take the double blue wire off. There's a little locking tab that we have to lift up on to release and then pull out the wires. And then we can turn it around and take the double pink wire off. Same as the blue, there's a locking tab that we have to press in order to get it to release. Once you have all the wires disconnected, we can pull the door latch assembly out of the washer. Here's the old door latch assembly next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. In order to put the new door latch in, first thing we're going to do is grab the wiring harnesses and hook them up. We're going to do the pink one. Went down on the bottom first. These can only go in one way, so all you have to do is press them in. Make sure they lock into place so you get a good connection. And then we can open up the cover. Remember, we're just going to flex it off out of the way. And then we can connect the double blue one. And the black one. Once you have all the wires connected, we're going to snap the shield back into place. And then before you put it into place, you want to take a look at these two tabs right here. Those have to be lined up with a plastic mounting bracket that's over here on the sidewall. So once you feed the switch back in, you're going to have to look through this little opening in order to get this to mount properly. So once you're ready, you can feed it back into place. And then we're going to stick our head in here and look over here to get it mounted properly. Once you have it on the mounting tabs, you can rotate the latch assembly over so everything lines up. And then we can use the Torque 20 driver to put the screws back in. Once you have the door latch assembly mounted, we can put the bellow back on. To put the bellow back on, you want to make sure that this lip right here goes in the ridge on the front of the panel. We're going to start up here at 12 o'clock and work our way around. Once you have it all the way in, we can put the clamp back on. put the outer bellow clamp back on, you want to make sure that the spring is down at 6 o'clock, and then we're going to work our way around clockwise again, making sure that it's in the groove. And once you get to around 2 or 3 o'clock, you're not going to be able to fit it in the groove anymore. So there we're going to go down to where the spring starts and grab the clamp with the locking pliers right here. Once you have it clamped, we're going to carefully pull it towards the side of the machine. You want to make sure that you pull it exactly to the side of the machine. If you pull out a little bit, it's going to come off and you're going to have to put it back on. Once you have it in the groove, you can let go of the pliers and push it all the way in so you get a good seal. Once you have it in place, you can close the washer door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.